Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today Eclipse video again. Today I'm gonna be talking about EGR delete on the Mitsubishi Eclipse 99 GS 420A engine. What is EGR and where is it located? Well, it's right there, used to be, and this is one piece of it that is left. Of course, from there comes this pipe that goes all the way to your manifold, right? So what it does, it actually takes the exhaust gases, some of them, and recirculates them back to the cylinder. Those gases do not burn, so don't confuse that. Those gases, they don't have nothing to burn. They're just used for pretty much cooling the, it actually lowers the temperature of the cylinders, and a lot of other things. I will list all of them somewhere here in the video, but the thing with that also, you have to understand that once those gases go back to your manifold, they are going to cause a lot of carbon, right? Your throttle body will be dirty, your manifold will be nasty too. So this, I do think also EGR helps with the cold starts as well. So removing this, there's benefits and there's cons, of course, and where you not gonna benefit from. So in my case, I'm doing it because it removes this line, because this line gets extremely hot, and actually it will burn some of your lines, some of your electrical and water. Whatever it touches, it's gonna burn. I'm removing that way I have some space, a little bit more, as well as I want to keep my manifold clean. I do not want to deal with cleaning it all the time. Well, not all the time, because what, were you going to clean this manifold every 10 years or so inside? So I just want to keep it clean. There is a bunch of videos on the internet showing how to do this, and there's I'm just it's so hard to see what is it going on and what do you need and all that to do a proper EGR delete. So in my case, I went and I ordered a level 0 motorsport a kit, right? But it's not expensive. It's probably $10-15. But if you have a hardware store close by, you can actually get a piece of metal, piece of aluminum, and cut it and do it that way instead of buying that. But it will cost you actually more to go to a hardware store and buy that. Or if you have it laying around, piece of metal, piece of aluminum, you can use it to block it off. So where it is, it's right here. So it's right above your crank cam position sensor. I mean under. It's right there, right? So this bolts, and this, you just put a plate right there and you block it off. On this side, let me see if I can show you, on the manifold, it should be another one located right around. Let me see if I can see it. This one right here. So it's right where your manifold is, your throttle body, and that's right there. That's where the another plug is. Let me see if I can squeeze it in there. As you can see it, it's right there. So that's the second thing you're gonna block off. Then I know once you block it off, you're gonna think, oh, there you go, problem solved, everything is all right now. But no, there is a sensor that goes inside here, which plugs in this, right? So this plugs on there, and that's where your readings are. So if you go ahead and plug it and throw this away, you're gonna get a check engine light, right? So in order to fix that, you can leave this plugged in, like so. Just leave it laying there, just leave it plugged in. Or you can get a 100 ohm, 10 watts, a resistor that you plug in right here, right? And that's gonna remove your check engine light. So that way it's a little bit cleaner. You don't get this in your engine bay. You can throw it finally, do whatever you want with it, and that's gonna eliminate the check engine light, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, install all this, and I'm gonna show you the final result. All right, so as you can see, EGR is blocked on this side as well, right there. The whole little plug right here, I could probably plug it in there so I can get rid of the check engine light, but I'm still waiting on my resistor to arrive, and I'll install it. That way I can get rid of it. As you can see, a pretty simple do-it-yourself trick. It will make your car run cleaner, right? It has its own benefits and own negatives, right? So it's up to you. What do you want to do? A lot of racetrack folks would do this, remove it. So I mean, it's up to you, like I said. Mine, my main thing was removing this ugly ass pipe and removing the whole unit from the EGR over here. EGR solenoid. So got that out of it. Got this little thing out of it too. Because this one goes like that, and then one goes all the way back and comes over here on the manifold, right? So you can close that one there. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you a easy do-it-yourself thing. Like I said, if you have a metal laying around, even plastic would work, guys, as long as you just put it over there, put some sealant, and that would cover it, right? So yeah, like I said, you can do it yourself, you can make it, or you can actually order it online, which is not that expensive too. So I will put the link down in the description so you guys can check it out. That way you can purchase it yourself. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really hope this video helped you out. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.